Welcome to my day in my life. We're going to a market run today and go to Barnes and Noble if we have the time. And then later on the afternoon, we'll be going to shop in Costco because we don't have stocks anymore. Let's see. Let's see where this day takes us. So we're gonna wait for the bus. And this is the bus stop.
Hello. Hello. Fall na!
It's fall season, guys.
Fall na. Yay! The bus is here!
Yeah.
Hello.
Thank you. This is a train station going to DC. We're going to the next bus stop right now to go to GW.
Let's go on the ground.
No, we're not going.
Over here.
No, we're not going there. We're going here.
While we retrieve the latest departure information for stop.
We're gonna wait for another bus.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Now you do it. Sing. Meron. Tulog.
Hey,
Uy, kumanda ko di ate.
bala ka.
Moving. Wait, can I go?
Oh, sure. Go.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Huwag masyado malapit. Hindi ka na makita. Pinaglalaroan nila yung gimbal. Bus is here. Yay! going now. Yeah.
Very know how to.
Well, so, yun. First stop namin is sa Filipino store. Because titingin kami ng mga machichicha. Yeah, we're here. So, mukhang wala kami mabibili ngayon kasi may stocks pa kami talaga. Uh-oh. Chichirya na lang. Bili na lang kami ng chichirya. So, yan lang ang binili ko. And caldereta mix, of course. And then, sila bumili rin sila ng, what do you buy? Moby. And then, Carl is Mr. Chips and Tiaros. Binili niya.
Ta-da!
Sam, anong binili mo? Bill namin is $25.09 for that one. Yeah, para lang dyan. And then, pupunta kami doon sa kabila, sa GW. Because, normally, doon kami bumibili ng meats and vegetables and sometimes fruits kasi it's fresh. Yeah, it's fresh. So, yeah.
Super fresh.
Sobrang fresh. And hindi ko gusto yung mga meat sa Costco kasi they are frozen already and it tastes bad. So yeah, dumadayo pa kami dito para bumili ng fresh meat and vegetable and someone is there. Yeah. Yeah. So tatawid na kami. Bye guys. Dito kahit na wala ng sasakyan, hindi ka pwedeng tatawid-tawid dyan kasi minsan ang bibilis talaga ng sasakyan dito. Patay ka talaga dyan, as in. This is GW Supermarket. It's a Chinese store, pero marami ring Asian stuff in here. Like, may mga Filipino stuff din. So, most likely, it's an Asian store. This kind of style is, ang naalala ko is supermarket, SM Supermarket. So, kaya dito ako namimili. Diba? Parang SM. So, yeah. So, magsisigang kami today. Hanap tayo kung meron tayong kangkong. I don't think may kangkong today. Ano ba yan? So, bibili rin ako ng gabi, of course. That's the gabi. Walang kangkong. So, okra lang sa kagabi na bili na amin. And then, bibili ako ng sile.
Hi.
So, ayan na. Ang nabili namin is sile, okra, gabi. Bili na lang ako ng spinach para kapalit ng kangkong. Not kangkong, pero it's okay na. It's so madami pala. Dami, te. Parang ayoko na bumili. Napakadami. Nakita mo ba yan? Pinamili namin for today. Pangsigang lang talaga, tapos pancit canton, and then Filipino stuff. Second bill of the day, $20.71 for that bag. Hintay uli kami ng bus. Punta kami ng Barnes and Noble. Yay! Parang hindi na kayo masaya.
Hindi oh.
Hindi kayo masaya?
Masaya kami.
What are you guys saying?
Inisa.
Ano nami-miss nyo?
Inasal. Malulubat ko.
Nami-miss na daw nila ang Mang Inasal. Jollibee, baka naman. Jollibee Corp. Mang Inasal naman, lagay nyo sa Wheaton. May red ribbon na kami sa Jollibee. Mang Inasal naman.
Dahil dito, salamat sa malayo ka sa seat mo. Meron kasi doon, no? Tapos sa Pilipinas,
Sa Pilipinas.
wala kasi doon dahil ang malayo pa ikaw, doon pa ikaw lalabas.
Sa harap pala lalabas sa Pilipinas. Kaya mas gusto niya dito. Mas gusto niya daw yung mga bus dito. Kasi pag malayo ka, pwede ka sa gitna. Ayan sila, oh. Dalawang magulo. Oo nga naman. Pero meron din namang bus sa Pilipinas na meron sa gitna.
Hindi ka?
Oo, meron. Hindi ka lang nakasakay. I'm in Barnes and Noble. Let's go get that book. So, I find it. The Housemaid Secret and the Housemaid is watching. And then Zayn would like to have the last show, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And we're done for today. Or I'll buy the Alchemist too. My bestie Taylor is here. Char! Hey, we got the books! Bye-bye!
It's a lot.
Bye-bye! Yeah. We got the books. We got the grocery. And now, we're going where? We're going home. So, habang nasa bus stop tayo, share ko lang na yung mga bus dito is libre. It's libre until December. So, bakit siya libre is because yung tax ng mga tao dito, yun yung ginagamit nilang pambayad sa maintenance ng bus, sa mga drivers. So, yeah. Punta ka kahit saan, it's libre. Pauwi na kami.
Yes.
Yeah, pauwi na kami. Tapos lalabas kami ulit later for Costco. Kasama na namin yung tatay namin. Okay. Yeah, so see you later, guys.
Bye. Costco, Costco, run. Costco, run.
Costco run. Costco run.
Yeah.
We're going to Wheaton. We're going to Costco.
Hello. Yan na yung Mercury. Hello.
Thank you. Go to mom. Mom. No, we're just going to Costco.
Yeah.
Costco run. Costco run. Costco run. Costco run. Costco run. Jollibee. Target. I'm gonna buy an umbrella because it keeps on raining. So much for summer love, stay lost, cause you were mine too.
Is it wrong? Is this ever mine? For the hope of you, meet me behind the mall. Got my plans, kiss to go. I wanna run with you all night. Dance with you, sunlight.
Ang lalaki ng umbrella dito. Hindi pwede sa loob ng bag.
Yes.
Girl. So, I'm not buying anything more.
What? You give up?
Sa Amazon na lang ako bibili. Ano meron?
Lamig!
We're in the produce section. Yung mga grapes, yung mga strawberries, tapos lamig na lamig sila. Weirdos. Let's go. Okay na, labas na tayo. Grocery check! Yay! Okay, kami ay pipila na.
Another
This is the final grocery items.
sip? What?
6, 7. Oh, sorry. Nabayad na. Oh. Bayad. Oh my gosh. We're done. Bye-bye, Costco. Bye. Done with the Costco run. And done for today.